Question says that common tangents to this circle and this parabola. Okay, so first let's draw, before reading more, let's draw the circle and that parabola so that we can have common tangents. So let's say this is my circle and you have your parabola which is looking like that. So you have common tangents. Okay, let's try drawing common tangents. So yeah, this is one of my common tangents. Okay, so symmetrically, you have to draw the other one. Okay, so if it is touching here, the other one should touch the circle here and the parabola here. So let's keep in mind that and try drawing the tangent, the other one. So this kind of tangent. Okay. Now, what are they saying? That they touch the circles at the point P and Q and the parabola R and S. So this point is P and Q, and this point is R, and this point is S. Now, what are they talking about? They're saying that area of the quadrilateral. Okay, now the way you have drawn, isn't that obvious that this is a trapezoid, right? With the PQ and RS are the parallel sides. Okay, so what is an area of a trapezoid? Do you know that? Yeah, sum of the parallel sides, that is PQ plus RS, and then the height, the distance between. Okay, let's call something, let's call this point A and this point B. Okay, so this distance A and B, okay, that is what is the formula of area of a trapezoid. Okay, so now this whole problem is boiling down into knowing the coordinates, right? P, Q, R, and S. If you know that, all is done. So let's start with the parabola. Okay, do you know a point, arbitrary point on this parabola? 80 square and 280. So the parabola is y square is 8x. Okay, so 4 times a times x. So your a is 2. So a t square. So for 2t square and 280, that would be 40. Now let's write equation of tangent. Equation of tangent to the parabola. You know that, right? What is it? Y is equal to x upon t plus at. A is 2. So 2t. You have already written equation of a tangent to the parabola. Now what is special about this tangent? It is also tangent to the circle. Okay, you can assume a point P. You can also assume a parametric. Let's keep life simple. Let's assume a simple point x1, y1. Okay, later on we can say that x1 y1 is on the circle, so x1 square plus y1 square is 2. Okay, so point form of a tangent to the circle, do you know that point form of a tangent? Yeah, x1 plus y1 is equal to 2. That's the point form of the tangent. Now 1 and 2 are representing same tangent, right? Because it's a common tangent. Can we compare them? First rewrite 1, okay, in the form so that we can compare them. So I will just do minus x by t on both sides. I'm getting plus y is equal to 2t, so that it's easy for me to compare. Let's call it 1 prime. Okay, so compare them up. Tell me, what do you get? X1 upon minus 1 by t is equal to y1 upon 1 is equal to 2 upon 2t, that's 1 by t. Okay, so what do you end up in getting? You already got y1. Okay, y1 is 1 by t and your x1 is minus 1 by t square. Now you can go ahead and say that x1, y1 are lying on the circle, because why? I don't know t, right? That's the whole question. If I know t, I know everything. Okay, so x1 and y1 is on that circle. So that means x1 square, there is a relation between x1 and y1 is equal to 2. Had you assumed parametric form, it would be quite obvious. Okay, anyways, so let's do the square. 1 upon t's power 4 plus 1 upon t. I'm just plugging in these values, okay? X1, Y1. This is equal to 2. So you are forming a quadratic in t square, which looks like t power 4 minus t square minus 1 is equal to 0. Very simple. You can simplify this further, solve it rather. So t square is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac, that will be, okay, this much, 2a, that would be 4. Okay, so you end up in getting 1 plus minus 3 upon 4. Of course, t squared can't be negative, so you're not going to take a negative sign. So it would be 4 upon 4, that's 1. You got t value to be plus or minus 1. Let's start taking with the plus 1 value. Okay, if you take plus 1, what do you get this point? Plus 1 means this would be 2 and 4. Minus 1 is going to give you the s coordinate, which would be 2 and negative 4, right? And what is x1 now? Okay, this would be minus 1 and this would be 1. So again you got this coordinate to be what? Negative 1 and 1. With negative t you would be getting this other coordinate. Now we know everything, right? Can you tell me what all we know now? What is pq? The length, right? The y coordinate is 1, so that means this distance is 1. So the complete distance would be 1 plus 1, that's 2. RS, you know the y coordinate is 4. So this distance is 4. So 4 plus 4, that would be 8. And AB is the distance between the x coordinate. The x coordinate here is 2, and the x coordinate here we got to be minus 1. Okay, so the distance between them is 2 plus 1, that's 3. Okay, so what is this value we are getting? That's 15, right? 10 upon 2 into 3, that's 15. So 15 is your correct answer. Okay, not much of a work, but nice question. See you with another one.